behalf of the entire cultural committee today. Before I start with the cultural committee report, I would like to welcome all the dignitaries present today, especially our esteemed chief guest, Dr. Mr. Vijay Patel. I would like to thank him for accepting our invitation at such a short notice. Last night, when I sat down to write the cultural committee report, I felt I should not bore everyone by reading out a mundane report. So instead, I decided to add some of my experiences that I had during the last 5 years at the cultural level of my batch. 5 years back, when we joined this wonderful place, we had no idea what introspection was. For the first couple of introspections, we just did whatever our seniors asked us to do. When we had to go alone as a batch in 5th term, we ended up doing a lot of funny or crazy things, including putting up an impromptu Western group dance, which I'm sure nobody in our batch will ever forget. That introspection really helped our batch come together. We understood that the most important thing for us as a batch was not just to win, but enjoy every second of introspection. And that has been our motto ever since. Our third year's introspection was memorable as we performed really well, but unfortunately we lost the first place on the last day. Our final year was quite a tough time as many of our batchmates preferred to study rather than participate in introspection. About this year's introspection will come a little later. Our trip to Jipmer for their cultural fest, Pandan, in second year, was very eventful to say the least. I sincerely request the management to send us for Pandan next year on as it was such a huge learning experience to all of us and helped us in organizing future events. There was even a time I almost had shortage in attendance for a subject in final year due to all the cultural activities I was in, but I just managed to escape and skin off my team. But on the whole, I feel that those were the best days of our college life. I'll begin my report about this year's cultural events with the Freshers' Day that we conducted on September 4th. It was held in the Memorial Hospital Auditorium and was a grand success. Everyone got visual some articles, especially their candidates. There was a blood donation camp on 16th October. We also had a performance with the Gamana Sri Blind Academy, for whom we raised money by auctioning the pots which we got from the pot painting competition. Now coming to the financial aspect of Theme 2008. We are extremely grateful to the principal and chairman for raising our cultural committee funds from rupees.
Busy schedule to be here today with us. This is a very small token of gratitude from all of us. The candles given to the dignitaries are made by the people of the Association of Mentally Challenged. I would also request our esteemed audience to buy these candles, since all the proceeds from these candles are going to go back to the Association of Mentally Challenged.
I must use the same idiom in my speech, but I would like to mention Dr. Jack and Dr. James. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Yet another year has passed, many laurels won, some battles lost, trophies lifted, ours soiled, medals won, records broken. Sweat and tears, all mixed in one. One cumulative effort to make the Ramaya glory prevail. It is indeed my privilege today, this evening, to stand before you and present the sports report for 2007-2008. If I were to recount, like my contemporary Amin did, my experiences in Ramaya over the past few years, it would be more unpleasant. I had my professors ask me to choose between sports and academics. I had them ask me, are you going to make a career out of playing on the basketball field, on the basketball court? I had my postgraduates, my seniors in departments when I go as an intern saying, oh my God, why are you in our unit? You know, you're going to be gone every alternate day and there's no one going to be here to do all the work. So I'm going to stick to the sports report strictly and just list out the achievements for you. I'm proud to say that MS Ramaya Medical College has been the university winners in men's tennis, have been the university runners-up in women's basketball and women's football. Save the applause for the end because it's a long list to come. We also won the following accolades for Bangalore Zone: men's winners in basketball, men's winners in badminton, men's runners-up in cricket, women's winners in throwball, and women's winners in table tennis. Our women's basketball team has also raised the winners' trophy in several sports tournaments, including the ones which are held out of station at the Armed Forces Medical College in Pune. We've been winners, I think, 4 years in a row now. Several of our players have also represented the university in various sports events. To name some, Astik Biswas for badminton and Nirantar Ganesh for the university cricket team. They play and represent the university where other players from other colleges are chosen for the university team so that they can play in university tournaments. Staff badminton at the university level witnessed Dr. Narayan Swamy from the Department of General Surgery and Mr. Mahesh Kumar, our physical director, securing a very prestigious second place. Our men's tennis team, consisting of Dr. Arun Narayan, Professor of Medicine, and Dr. Ravi Kiran Bhatt, PG Orthopedics, coming a close second in the Tennis DLF Corporate Challenge Tournament. And at a very own home interest, but there's no doubt that no matter who stands here to give the sports report next year and in the many more years to come, they'll only be talking about our college banner flying high. I hope when I, last but not least, I hope when I step into Ramaya maybe in a year or two to come, I hope I will see on this campus a promise made to me by our CE, I think a year or two ago, of a sports playing ground and a wooden badminton court. I hope to see this very soon. Thank you. God bless.